cờ trâu lưu xa sân
do kế hoa mong
Private pilot is the privilege. And that's why she just completed a special summer program in the Midwest to do that. And you'll see she's not just another pilot. In
có
fact,
bé chỉ
still got homework on weeknights.
hai tiếng nữa
giờ về bóng ta lo tao
Anywhere from 4,500 to more than 6,000 feet up, and the person in the cockpit,
I really like heights. Like, I like roller coasters.
17-year-old Duncan Polytechnical High School senior Angela Jean.
I really like flying just because I'm up there and I'm alone and I know what I'm doing.
Air Force Junior ROTC cadet just got her private pilot's license during a summer course at Kansas State. Angela was awarded a $20,000 scholarship to do it, meaning she learned these controls
My pilot license and then my driver's license right after.
before tackling driving. What's more, Angela says she had never been on a plane before all of this. So Colonel James Shepard at Fresno Squadron of the Civil Air Patrol helped get her ready.
Yeah, she flew with me on the first one.
My motion sickness, like it was getting to me and I was feeling queasy.
Just fine. I didn't even know you were getting that sick.
Clearly a feeling Angela has gotten over since the Midwest.
I was able to land and I did my first solo and it was, you can say, the best. Like, I felt so good.
Reaching new heights both personally and physically.
Like if you guys ever go up there one day, just like kind of like sit there, relax, and enjoy the view.
Angela's scholarship program is part of a new Air Force initiative to address the pilot shortage. By the way, Angela will fly Cessna 120.
mama shi chu có lo wa tao i hai
Rong xiên đó là rong xiên đó thì nó là bé tua quay khắp Paris cho à chị motor America là giờ thì Kelly Shai lâu cha giờ tu founder de lâu cha tu này bé tua support nữa thế bé tua sai bé tu ý tu mong là nghe into đó pro nữa rồi thì người get the pro lên get the à chị cho kinh chấp lại nữa mà nhớ tới America là gì motor America là gìยิ่งสุดตาลีเนาะใช่ไหมchỉ một cha đó thế chỉ nhiều một nhiều class thì bây giờ xe thì bây giờ tôi cùng thế bây giờ tôi bỏ bây giờ tôi thì luôn lo lại này chơi một tổ kinh một lên non cho tại đây thì cho lửa hai nên chống một nó
lo chân miền non bên mong nhận giờ shi
mama shi chu có lo wa tao i hai
giờ về bóng ta lo tao mấy miền đau xuống trong nó cho gì chính quân vua sâu lo
giá tông phương vừa trừ lo mu shi trang bay thiên hào sang thông chia công trừ shi lu
đủ mua bê trì nhỏ thông hậu luôn đĩa tê
hai biết